Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, that is the sixth chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. In this chapter, we will discuss algebraic expressions in detail. Let's move on to the topic. In the earlier classes, we have discussed the algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions, it is defined as the sum, difference, product or quotient of constants and variables. It is defined as a sum, difference, product or quotient of constants and variables. For example, 4x plus 7. 4x plus 7. Here x is the variable. X is the variable and 7 is the constant term. 7 is the constant term and the coefficient of x is 4. The coefficient of x is 4. For example, 4x plus 7, x is the variable and 7 is the constant term and coefficient of x is 4. 4 is the coefficient of x. Next, we shall discuss components related to algebraic expressions. Look at the following algebraic expressions: 2a, 5xy plus 8, 4x square plus 2x plus 7. In the first algebraic expression, there is only one term. Okay, so there is only one term. So it is said to be monomial. Mono means 1. The second algebraic expression 5xy plus 8, it has two terms. The first term is 5xy and the second term is 8. So it has two terms. Since there are two terms, so it is said to be binomial. Bi means 2. Then the third algebraic expression 4x square plus 2x plus 7. The first term is 4x square, second term is 2x and the third term is 7. 3 terms. So it is said to be trinomial. So monomial means only one term, binomial means 2 terms, trinomial means 3 terms. Consider an algebraic expression 8x square plus 7x plus 6y plus 5. 8x square plus 7x plus 6y plus 5. In this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. More than 3 terms means it is said to be polynomial. It is said to be polynomial. Poly means many. So in an algebraic expression having more than 3 terms is said to be polynomial. Next we shall discuss degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means it is the highest power of the variable in the algebraic expression. Highest power of the variable in an algebraic expression is known as degree of a polynomial. For example, 9y square plus 7y plus 4x plus 3. 9y square plus 7y plus 4x plus 3. How many terms are there? 4 terms are there. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Here the variables are y and x. Okay. 3 is the constant term. Degree of a polynomial means it is the highest power of the variable. Here the variable y, the power is 2. So variable y, the power is 1. Here the variable x, the power is 1. So the highest power means 2. 2 is the highest power. Okay. So highest degree of the polynomial is equal to degree of the polynomial is equal to 2. Here 2 is the degree of the polynomial. Next, we shall discuss exercise problems. The first problem from exercise 6.1. First question, list the variables and the constants in the following algebraic expressions. First one, 14ab plus 8. Second one, 3ab plus 2c. And the third one, 5. The first one, 14ab plus 8. Here, the variables are a comma b and the constant term is 8. Variables are a comma b, constant term 8. The next option, 3ab plus 2c. 3ab plus 2c. Here the variables are a, b and c. The variables are a, b and c. And there is no constant terms are there. Okay, only variables a, b and c. Then the next option, 5p. 5p, here the variable is p. Constant term, no constant term. Here the variable is p. Next, question number 2. Sort the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials or trinomials. We have to find out the following expressions as monomials, binomials or trinomials. The first option, 14abc plus b. How many terms are there? 14abc is the first term and b is the second term. So 2 terms are there. Okay. Since there are 2 terms, the algebraic expression is said to be binomial. Binomial. The next one, 3a minus 5ab plus 2c. So how many terms are there? First term 3a, the second term 5ab minus 5ab, the third term 2c. So 3 terms are there. 3 terms means trinomial. The last option, 18pq. It's only 1 term. So it's said to be monomial. Next, question number 3. Find the coefficient of xy in the following algebraic expressions. Have to find out the coefficient of xy in these algebraic expressions. The first one 9xy. The coefficient of xy is 9. So the coefficient of xy is 9. 9 means plus 9. The next option 5x plus y plus 2xy. In the first term 5x, the variable is x. Second term y, the variable is y. In the third term 2xy. Here the variables are x and y. So, we have to find out the coefficient of xy. The coefficient of xy is 2. Coefficient of xy is 2. Then the third option 6x cube minus 5xy plus 2x. 6x cube the first term minus 5xy second term and 2x is the third term. How to find out the coefficient of xy? Coefficient of xy means minus 5 including sign. Okay. So coefficient of xy is minus 5. Next, question number 4. What is the degree of each of the following polynomials? The degree of the polynomial is studied. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable. The first option 25b square plus 8. Here the variable is b. So the power is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Polynomial is 2. The second option 6x cube y plus 4. Here the variables are x and y. The power of x is 3 and the power of y is 1. So degree of the polynomial means you have to add the powers of the variables. Here the powers are 3 and 1. So add 3 plus 1, 4. So degree of the polynomial is, add the powers, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then the third option y raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 is a constant term. Okay. Here the variable is 5. The power of y is 5. So degree of the polynomial is 5. Degree of the polynomial is 5. Next question, question number 5. Add 11a square plus 2ab plus 8 and 4ab plus 6. How to add these two algebraic expressions? 11a square plus 2ab plus 8 plus second algebraic expression 4ab plus 6. First one 11a square. Here 2ab and 4ab like terms. So add together 2ab plus 4ab plus the constant terms 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 11a square plus 2ab plus 4ab 6ab plus 8 plus 6 14. So the answer is 11a square plus 6ab plus 14. Next, question number 6. Subtract 2a plus ab plus 6b from 5a plus 4ab plus 10b. Okay, we have to subtract this from this. Means the second expression minus the first expression. So 5a plus 4ab plus 10b minus of within the brackets 2a plus ab plus 6b is equal to 5a plus 4ab plus 10b. Have to remove the brackets. Okay, so change the sign. Minus into plus, minus 2a minus into plus, minus ab minus into plus, minus 6b. Then grouping the terms, 5a minus 2a. They are like terms. So, grouping 5a minus 2a. Then 4ab minus ab. 4ab minus ab. Then the last two terms, 10b minus 6b. 10b minus 6b is equal to 5a minus 2a, 3a plus 4ab minus 1ab. 4ab minus 1ab, 3ab. 3ab plus 10b minus 6b. 10 minus 6, 4. 4b. So the answer is 3a plus 3ab plus 4b. Next, question number 7. Simplify the following algebraic expressions. Option A, 3x plus 4y plus 2xy plus 5x minus xy minus 2x. Here, 3x, 5x and minus 2x. They are like terms. So, add together. So, 3x plus 5x minus 2x. Then 4y. There is no variable in y, plus 4y plus 2xy and minus 2xy, they are like terms. So group together, 2xy minus xy plus 2xy minus xy is equal to 3x plus 5x, 8x, 8x minus 2x, 6x plus 4y plus 2xy minus 1xy. 2xy minus 1xy, xy. So the answer is 6x plus 4y plus xy. Next question number 9. Subtract 5xy plus 2xz from the sum of 3xy plus 7z and 7xy plus 2xz. First we have to find out the sum of these two expressions. After that, subtract this expression from 5xy plus 2xz. First we have to add 3xy plus 7z plus 7xy plus 2xz. Sum of these two expressions is equal to 3xy plus 7xy, 10xy. 3xy plus 7xy, 10xy plus here 7z, here 2xz. They are unlike terms. Okay, so right, 7z plus 2xz. Then the question is subtract this expression from this one. Okay, so 10xy plus 7z plus 2xz minus of the first expression 5xy plus 2xz is equal to 10xy plus 7z plus 2xz. Removing the brackets, so changing the signs. Minus into plus, minus 5xy, minus into plus, minus 2xz. Here plus 2xz minus 2xz cancel. 0. Okay. Is equal to 10xy minus 5xy, 5xy plus 7z. The answer is 5xy plus 7z. Next, question number 10. Simplify the following. Question number option B. M square plus 2m minus 9 by 4 m square minus 8m. Here m square and minus 9 by 4 m square are like terms. So grouping together, m square minus 9 by 4 m square plus 2m and minus 8m, 2m minus 8 is equal to, so multiplied by 4. 4m square minus 9m square divided by 4 plus 2m minus 8m, so minus 6m is equal to 4m square minus 9m square. 4 minus 9 minus 5, so minus 5 divided by 4, minus 5 by 4m square plus into minus minus 6m. So 4m 5 by minus 5 by 4m square minus 6m. Next question. Question number 11. Simplify the following. Option B. Minus 2x square plus 7x minus 5 plus minus x square minus 2x plus 4. So you have to add the like terms. Minus 2x square minus x square. So minus 2x square minus x square in one bracket plus 7x minus 2x. 7x minus 2x in second bracket plus minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4. Adding the like terms is equal to minus 2x square minus x square. Minus 2 minus 1. So minus 3x square plus 7x minus 2x. 7 minus 2, 5x plus minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4, minus 1. So the answer is minus 3x square plus 5x minus 1. Next, option D. Minus 3u square plus 5u minus 8 minus of 4u square minus 6u plus 5. We simplify. So minus 3u square plus 5u minus 8. Removing the brackets means changing the signs. Okay. So minus 4u square minus into minus plus 6u minus into plus minus 5 is equal to, grouping the like terms, minus 3u square minus 4u square. So minus 3u square minus 4u square in bracket plus 5u plus 6u. 5u plus 6u plus minus 8 and minus 5. Minus 8 minus 5. Adding the like terms is equal to minus 3u square minus 4u square. Minus 3 minus 4. How to add two negative numbers? Yeah. Minus 7. Minus 7u square plus 5u plus 6u. Positive numbers directly add plus 11u. Then plus minus 8 minus 5. Minus 8 minus 5. minus 30. Addition of two negative numbers is always negative. So minus 7u square plus 11u minus 13. Question number 12. If p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 1, find the value of 2pq plus p square minus q square. The value of p and q is given. You have to find the value of 2pq plus p square minus q square. So given p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 1. So substituting the values of p and q in this expression, okay? Substituting the values of p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 1 in the given expression, the given algebraic expression or expression. So 2pq, 2 into p into q. 2pq plus p square minus q square is equal to 2 into, the value of p is 5, the value of q is 1. 5 into 1, 2 into 5 into 1 plus p square is 5 square plus, not plus, minus q square is 1 square is equal to 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 1, 10 plus 5 square, 5 multiplied by 2 times itself, 5 into 5, 25 minus 1 is equal to 10 plus 25, 35, 35 minus 1, 34. So the value of 2pq plus p square minus q square is 34. Today we have discussed the problems from exercise 6.1. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note and keep. We will discuss during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.